Ymarfer y dydd, exercise of the day, kick flutter kick. Mae hwn yn ymarfer sy'n mynd i weithio ar cyhyrau'r abdomen. This is an exercise that will focus on the abdominal muscles. Felly, gorodd yn ôl, coesau'n syth, lie back, leg straight, dwylo dan y penol, hands underneath the bottom. A wedyn ni'n mynd i codi'r coesau i fyny i'r lefel yma, fel bod y cefn yn flat, a bod ni'n targedu yr abdomen a dim y hip flexor muscles felly. We're going to raise our legs to this level to help keep our back straight and to take out the hip flexors and to focus on the abdominal wall. Pan da chi barod, mynd yn ar wahân, gwahanu'r kick a cyflymu fyny fel da chi'n ddarfar yr ymarfer. Once you're ready, go one at a time and then speed it up, keeping your back flat to the floor, speed it up once you've got the technique. Make sure that you brace your core, make sure that chi'n engage your core. Repetition, 10 i 12, technique da. Repetition range, 10 to 20 reps. Remember to brace the core, cofiwch tynhau'r core. Mwynhewch, enjoy.